Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week, of course, we're talking about New Year's Eve, and the craft that we made is really fun because you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna wave goodbye to 2020. I have a feeling a lot of us are gonna be waving really hard. So what you're gonna get when you come in to pick up your supplies for this craft, you're gonna get this big giant hand, and then you're gonna get this that has how you say goodbye in a lot of different languages. It's really fun. You're gonna learn how to say goodbye to so many different people. So what you're gonna need in addition to your supplies, of course, you're gonna need your crayons or colored pencils or markers, whatever you like to use, scissors to cut everything out, and glue stick or tape, whatever you prefer, to tape or attach the stick to the back of it so that you can wave goodbye to 2020 and we can say hello to 2021. So I hope that your year is ending as wonderfully as it possibly can, and we look forward to seeing all of your faces in 2021. We'll see you soon. Happy New Year.